Hi everyone! In this video tutorial we will learn more about recent quizzes settings shortcode. There are two ordering options for this shortcode. The first one is by random ordering. The second one is by recent ordering. If you choose random ordering and specify the count here, then the system will randomly display that amount of quizzes from all your created quizzes on the front end for the shortcode. Or if you choose the recent ordering method and specify the count here, then the system will display that amount of quizzes, your chosen amount of quizzes of your recently created quizzes. As you can see, it's very easy to use. All you need to do is just to copy the shortcode and paste it to your desired post or page. So we copy the shortcode and go to the post page, add a new post, and of course we need to paste the shortcode here. Also we need to give a name to our post, so let it be recent quizzes settings. Then here we need to specify what ordering we want and how many quizzes we want to display. For example, we can choose recent ordering and we can specify the count, for example 2. Then we publish our post. So here is the front end, and here we can see two quizzes that are created quite recently. The quizzes are 2 as we specified the count here. That's all. See you in the next video tutorial.